Are you embattled in life? Have you reached a crossroad and you do not know which way to turn to? Your mind is clouded and you have lost clarity for your purpose. Your sight is blurred and you are blinded to your vision. You strive with the work of your hands, but your hands can't find its way to your mouth. Life comes with many battles and you can't retreat. You fight, yet you see defeat. You just need a key. Yes, a key to your rest. Absolute rest. And here it is. From the stables of FD Yalley comes yet another spectacular book titled Workshop to Showroom. It is riveting, reviving, revealing, and real life made easy. Topics include join the chariot, structured for rest, gather up the spoils, know the cost, among others. This book takes you to the workshop of your dreams and brings your gifts and talent to the showroom where your life becomes a masterpiece for all to embrace. Grab a copy of Workshop to Showroom. Come into a shop near you. Call 026 23 54 383 for your copies now.